Home tab, we have the quick start panel and there are some buttons. So if you're interested in playing a game and you don't care which opponent you play against, then you can use find opponent button. If you click it, then set the settings, then press OK, then it'll find you an opponent that would also like to play with these settings. You can also play the same with Pergo. You can observe a game, which will just take you to the room screen where you can observe games. You can start a review, which just means that you create a board at which you can do a review. You can also start broadcast. Ta-da! So offline you can also open an empty board, which is like review but faster. And then you can open file. So here select file, then I'll have to find it. So Go course for beginners, then let's say homework, then we have this one, we click open, OK, and yeah. Since this client doesn't let you open branches, then it doesn't make sense, as you can see, because it mashes all of the branches together. So if you want to solve homework, I highly recommend using a different client.